Welcome to Tech Research. How to order Starlink Internet Kit absolutely free. Currently, I'm living here in Copenhagen, Denmark, and if I order today Starlink Internet Kit, so I'm receiving this one absolutely free. What is the process? Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I just simply open Google and type here Starlink, enter. So first link is display here. Even I already added my referral link in same video description. You should click and order your Starlink kit. This is the Starlink website, $55 per month. If I click here, so here is my account. Here two option is available. One is a residential. It means this is the fixed address, and second one is a ROM. You can change one location to another location as well. So I just simply click here residential and get start, and we need to add here your address. Afterwards, the residential are available or not in your address, you can just verify. And Rome is available everywhere. Here in Denmark, I just simply type here my address name, research rocks Denmark. So my address is display here. Check availability. So look at this here, residential available for my address. Subscription price is a 235 Danish krona. Standard service, residential customer, a single location, cancel anytime. I just simply click here. Look at this here. If I select here mini X 00 Danish krona, 100 MB per second, 235 DKK for per month. If you go with mini X, if I go with here standard for rental, totally is a change. If you order this one, you can receive here 200 Mbps per second speed. This is the difference between, but charges is also different, like a 370, there is a 235 here, 235 if you order this one. Because of this, the kit size is a bigger compared to mini X, but my personal opinion, the mini X is the best. 235 DKK per month, 100 MB per second. Shipping handling standard is at 177. For the shipping point of view, you need to pay here 177. This is the charges of the courier. For the specific kit is absolutely free. If I select here add to cart here, so I need to pay 177 DKK. How you order, it's very easy. Click here the place the order. For the payment point of view, you can use PayPal, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, as per your convenience. I personally use here Apple Pay. Click here, and then afterwards I just simply open here the camera, scan this one, and I need to pay 177 DKK, and just simply complete this process. Payment is completed. Look at this here, order confirmation. Thank you your purchase. You will receive the email shortly related on this purchase. Go back here. If I go back here in my email address, so look at this here, order confirmation. So order confirmation I am receiving here. So after a couple of minutes, here delivery estimate date I am receiving. So today is the 31st of July, and I am receiving this product like around 14th of August to 21st of August in between. So this is the very simple process to order Starlink Internet Kit. Using this process, you should order this one. Next video, I will make the unboxing and installation process as well. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.